throw or give a party. They decided to throw a party for their anniversary. Plan a party. They are planning a surprise party for her birthday. Attend a party. Are you going to attend the party this weekend? Cancel a party. Unfortunately, we had to cancel the party due to the bad weather. Host a party. She's hosting a party next Saturday. Invite someone to a party. She was excited to invite her friends to a party she was planning for her birthday. Gatecrash a party. Some teenagers gatecrashed the exclusive party. A dinner party. They hosted a formal dinner party last weekend. A fancy dress party. She went to a fancy dress party as Snow White. A birthday party. We're planning a surprise birthday party for her. A farewell or leaving party. The office organized a farewell party for the retiring manager. An engagement party. Their engagement party was a beautiful celebration of love. A big party. They threw a big party to celebrate their wedding anniversary. A small party. We're having just a small party with close friends. A surprise party. Her friends organized a surprise party for her 30th birthday. A noisy party. The neighbors complained about the noisy party that went on until 3 a.m.